65 and 77 degrees. It was sunny at Caldwell, Peterborough, Somerset, and Trenton. At Morristown, it was mostly sunny. At Linden, it was fair. In Southwest. Tropical storm watch in effect. A tropical storm watch in effect for the following areas in New York, Manhattan, Bronx, Northern Queens, Southern Queens, Brooklyn, Staten Island, Northern Nassau, Southern Nassau, Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Southern Westchester, Northeast Suffolk and Southeast Suffolk, and the following areas in New Jersey, Hudson, Eastern Union and Eastern Essex, and the following areas in Connecticut, Southern Fairfield, Southern New Haven, Southern Middlesex and Southern New London. Here are the current conditions. As of noon at Central Park, it was sunny.